This microwave caramel corn is a game changer for anyone who loves caramel corn because you can have a fresh warm batch within about 25 minutes. You'll want to have everything ready to start with because it's a fast process and you need to have everything within reach. First, you pop your corn. I used an air popper, but you can pop it any way you like. You'll need a half a cup of kernels to pop. Put your popcorn into a grocery-sized paper bag. Now make your caramel. Add 1 stick of real butter to a saucepan over medium heat and add 1 cup of brown sugar. Light or dark is fine. Now add a 1/4 cup of corn syrup, and dark is preferable, but you can definitely use light if that's all you've got. When the mixture comes to a simmer, cook for 5 minutes. Then turn the heat off and add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda. It will puff up a little bit and lighten in color. Stir for just a minute and then pour right into the paper bag, the whole pan full. Now quickly roll the paper bag closed and shake it good and hard back and forth, up and down. Now roll it tightly and put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Pull it out of the microwave and shake again back and forth, up and down. Now 1 more minute in the microwave. Give it another good shake and then pour it onto your baking sheet. Add salt immediately, let rest for about 5 minutes, and enjoy.